Another day, another story. G-force, short for gravitational force, refers to the force experienced by an object, or a person due to acceleration or deceleration. In the context of aircraft, G-force is commonly used to measure the acceleration or deceleration experienced by pilots and passengers. The force of gravity on Earth's surface is commonly referred to as 1g, which is approximately 9.8 meters per second squared, m/s squared. When an aircraft is at rest on the ground, or flying level at a constant speed, the occupants experience 1g, which is the same as the force of gravity. However, during flight maneuvers, such as takeoff, landing, or aerobatic maneuvers, the aircraft can accelerate or decelerate, causing the occupants to experience g-forces different from the baseline. For example, during a steep climb or rapid acceleration, the occupants may experience forces greater than 1g, often expressed as 2g, 3g, and so on. This means that the occupants feel a force equal to 2, 3, or more times their body weight. Conversely, during a rapid deceleration or negative acceleration, the occupants may experience forces less than 1g, often referred to as negative g-forces. The effects of g-forces on the human body can vary depending on their magnitude and duration. Higher g-forces can exert significant physical stresses on the body, affecting blood circulation, vision, breathing, and overall comfort. Pilots and astronauts undergo specialized training to learn how to handle high g-forces, and use techniques like anti-G suits and specialized breathing techniques to mitigate the effects. Understanding and managing g-forces are crucial in aviation to ensure the safety and well-being of pilots and passengers during various flight conditions and maneuvers. Fighter jet pilots face a variety of challenges due to the demanding nature of their role. Here are some of the key challenges to mention. High-performance aircraft. Fighter jets are technologically advanced and high-performance aircraft designed for speed, maneuverability, and combat operations. Flying these aircraft requires extensive training to master their complex systems, avionics, and weapons. Pilots must continually update their skills to keep up with the evolving technologies and capabilities of these aircraft. G-forces. As mentioned earlier, fighter jet pilots experience high levels of G-forces during maneuvers. These forces can have physical and physiological effects on the body, including vision impairments, decreased blood circulation, and even loss of consciousness if not managed correctly. Pilots undergo specialized training to develop techniques to mitigate the effects of G-forces and maintain control of the aircraft. Tactical decision-making. Fighter pilots operate in dynamic and high-stress environments where split-second decisions can have significant consequences. They need to assess the situation, make quick and accurate decisions, and adapt their tactics accordingly. This requires a high level of situational awareness, critical thinking, and the ability to effectively communicate and coordinate with other pilots and ground personnel. Combat operations. Fighter jet pilots may be deployed in combat situations, where they face the challenges of engaging enemy aircraft, conducting ground attacks, or performing reconnaissance missions. They must execute their missions with precision, while managing the inherent risks of hostile environments, including surface-to-air missiles, enemy fighters, and radar-guided threats. Survivability and mission success depend on their training, skills, and ability to react effectively in high-pressure situations. Fatigue and stress. Flying fighter jets can be physically and mentally demanding. Long hours of training, missions, and operational deployments can lead to fatigue and high levels of stress. Pilots must maintain their focus and mental acuity, even during extended periods of exertion, as any lapse in attention can have serious consequences. Adequate rest, proper nutrition, and stress management techniques are essential for pilots to maintain their performance and well-being. Continuous training and qualification. Fighter jet pilots must undergo rigorous and continuous training to maintain their proficiency and qualifications. This involves regular simulator sessions, flight exercises, tactical training, and staying up to date with new technologies and procedures. The demands of training and maintaining readiness require pilots to be committed to lifelong learning and improvement. These challenges highlight the immense skill, dedication, and resilience required of fighter jet pilots. They undergo extensive training, adhere to strict safety protocols, and continuously strive to enhance their abilities to meet the demands of their critical roles. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe to see more interesting content. Thanks for watching.